This experiment is to measure the value of G using the simple pendulum. The first step to measure the this value of G, that is acceleration due to gravity, is time period we will measure. That is time for one revolution we will measure. For that we will use this. This is simple pendulum, right? You can see this video also. You can see the pendulum is going here and there, going to this side and coming to this side only. So from left side to right side, then again to left side, that is one revolution. You can see this picture also. That pendulum starts from A position, goes to B, then back to A. That is a one complete revolution. So we will measure the time for 20 revolutions. So time period will be 27 divided by 20. Now step 2 is length of pendulum we will measure. For this purpose, we have to measure the length of the pendulum in 3 parts. First part is we will try to measure the length of the thread first. This is length of thread from here to here. That is length of thread. That is here it is 44.5 centimeter. Then we will take out a hook from here and we will try to measure the length of this hook. Then this the radius of this bob we will measure. The radius of the bob, first of all, we will measure the diameter. We will use the screw gauge. So both the jars are brought together to see if there is some error or not. You can see here. This is main scale, this is circle scale. 0 of main scale matching with the 0 of vernier scale means there is no error. So directly you can use a screw gauge here because no error is there, right? First of all, we will measure diameter of the bob. Bob will be put here. You can see now here. Bob is put here to measure the diameter. You can see that this part, this is a main scale, this circle scale. This is a zoom of these two scales. You can see here. It is 15, then 16, 17, 18, and 18.5 is there. You can see here. Then 35, this is 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35 line. 35th line of the circle scale is matching with the main scale. So diameter will be 1.85 centimeters because this is in the mm. That's why it will be 1.85 centimeter plus because 35th division is matching circle scale with this main scale. So 35 multiply by this least count because unit will be same. Already we have taken centimeter here, so the least count will be also in the centimeter. So that is 1.85 centimeter plus 35 multiplied by this one, this figure, right? So answer will be 0.035 centimeter, and the total of this will be 1.885 centimeter. So this value is the diameter, but our requirement is radius only, right? Not diameter. That's why we will divide it by 2. You can see 1.885 divided by 2, that will be equal to 0.943 centimeter. In the previous picture, we have put that radius is equal to y, right? Then the third is basically we have to measure this hook length. We will take out the hook and we will start measurement from this position. You can see here start of screw here, right, and end of this hook, right. Up to this the distance is 1.2 centimeter that is equal to Z. Now calculation. Because we have to measure the G, and so formula used for that will be time period is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. Now T is a time period, 2 is a constant, pi is a constant, L is the length of the pendulum, G is the acceleration due to gravity that we have to find. That's why if you square it, it will be T square 4 pi square L by G, right? So G will be equal to 4 pi square L by T square. So because these, to calculate the value of G, we have to put the value of L, put the value of 4 also, that is constant, pi square is also constant, and value of time, this length we have already measured, time period we have already measured. So how the length will be measured? L is equal to x plus y plus z. These three are basically combination of diameter of the bob that we are converted to radius, then plus, so radius plus hook plus thread. The position I have already mentioned in the slides. So answer will be 44.5 centimeter plus 0.943 centimeter plus 1.2 centimeter, that will be equal to 46.643 centimeter. So value of G will be, you can see here, that is 4 multiplied by pi square, that value approximately we have taken 3.144, it is square, so we have made the square, multiply by L, L is the length of pendulum, that is here is 46.643 centimeter, right? Then time period T, that is 1.35, that square we have taken. If you calculate all these values, right, then the value of G will be 1009 centimeter per second scale. That is a CGS unit, because all the values we have taken the CGS values, so either in centimeter or in seconds. So actual value of G is 981 centimeter per second scale. So some error is there, right? You can calculate the error if you want, right? That error can be calculated also. So the value of G will be 1.009 centimeter per second scale. Thank you.